HC Verma Solutions, Chapter number 3, Rest and Motion Kinematics, Question number 43. A person is standing on a truck moving with a constant velocity of 14.7 meters per second on a horizontal road. The man throws a ball in such a way that it returns to the truck after the truck has moved 58.8 meters. Find the speed and the angle of projection A as seen from the truck, B as seen from the road. Okay. In this question number 43, here there is a truck. It is traveling with a velocity of 14 meters per second in this direction. But here a person who is standing on the truck, he throws the ball in vertical direction. Then after some particular time interval, again this ball reaches to this person in his hands. And here after traveling certain distance, that is 58.8 meter distance, again the ball reaches to this person. But here, which one we want to calculate here? The calculation is how much amount of velocity and angle of projection which is thrown by the person. That is in two cases. The first case is as seen from the truck and as seen from the road. So here first of all assumption is, that is, time taken by the ball to come back to the man is equal to time taken by the truck to travel a distance 58.8 meters. That means how much amount of time taken by ball to come back to the man, which is equal to time taken by the truck to travel a distance of 58.8 meters. Both are equal. So that's why I want to calculate the time. So here time is equal to how much amount of distance here? 58.8 meters divided by how much amount of speed here? 14.7 meters per second. So on calculating that, we are getting 4 seconds. So that means that much amount of time taken to travel the ball and again come back to this person. So that means that can be treated as time of flight. So here, if you want to calculate the velocity, means we will take half of the time. So here, first of all, we will take A. So that means we have to calculate velocity and angle of projection as seen from the truck. So first of all, as seen from truck. So he is standing on the truck. He throws the ball in the upward direction. That means for this person, the ball will move in a straight line. So that means what happens here? What is the angle of projection he made? That is compulsory 90 degrees only. That means how much angle he is projected, with the same angle he is getting the ball in his hands. So that means the angle of projection, that is theta, is equal to 90 degrees. But I want to calculate this much amount of velocity. So that means what is the formula here? That is Vy is equal to Uy plus A into T. Now here what happened? This final velocity of the ball which reaches to the top and reaches to the hands, that becomes 0 is equal to velocity of projection in upward direction. This one we want to calculate Uy. Here minus acceleration due to gravity moving in upward direction, that is taken as minus 9.8 into time. I told here, what is the time here? Half of the time we will take, that is 4 seconds, means we will take only 2. So that means velocity Uy is equal to 19.6 meters per second. So this much amount of velocity and this much amount of angle of projection as the ball is observed from the truck. Now we will calculate as seen from the ground. So that means what happens in this case? So as seen from the ground means what happens here? Suppose you are present at this place. So when the ball is thrown like this, so that means what happens here? The ball is moving in this direction and again follows this path, and again it reaches to this particular person's hand. So that means same person, same truck, traveling the distance 58.8, and it can be observed from the outside. What happens here? The ball reaches to this person. It is observed by third person, means that is other person, means that is from the road that follows the path of projectile. So that means this velocity will take as u, and already we know this well, this one is uy, and what about this one is called as ux. So that means u sin, here it makes an angle theta with this. So this one we will take as u cos theta. This one we will take as u sin theta. So that means component can be split up. That is u cos theta and u sin theta. So which one we want to calculate here? Again this u velocity, and also the angle is required. So from the, as seen from the ground. So that means I want to calculate this velocity. That means what happens here? U is equal to this one, this side, that is 14.7 I cap in this direction, plus this what we calculated here 19.6, that is j cap. I want to calculate the velocity. So that means magnitude is equal to square root over 14.7 whole square plus 19.6 whole square. On calculating of this one, we are getting 24.5 meters per second. This much amount of velocity, it is projected from here as seen from the ground. But which one we want to calculate? Angle of projection is required. To calculate the angle of projection, we will take as tan theta is equal to, we know that is 19.6 divided by 14.7. So theta is equal to tan inverse 19.6 divided by 14.7. Theta is equal to 53 degrees. This is the solution for question number 43.